Hey guys, it's me, Marisol, and today we're in my kitchen. You know why? Today I am making slime, so here's the stuff that you'll need. Alright guys, this is what you're going to need. A cup. You could get any cup, and I'm using a Starbucks cup. Some salt. And some hand soap. Alright guys, now that it's in there, if I stick my hand in here, like, and if I get my fork right here, it's just gonna come out there. So now we're gonna add the salt. So we're just gonna do like 5 shakes. That's good enough, and now we're just gonna stir. So I'm gonna skip this part, but as y'all can see, this is the hand soap with salt. So I'll be right back. Getting better. And if you've been stirring for a couple of minutes and it still looks like this, that means you need to add more salt until it gets slimier and it doesn't stick to your finger. Guys, one thing, if y'all add way too much salt, it's gonna turn liquidy, so be careful. And guys, if y'all do add too much salt and it turns liquidy, just add more hand soap, and it will get back to the way it was. Just be careful with that salt. Alright guys, so I'm finished mixing, and this is how it's gonna look. It's a little liquidy, but as long as it doesn't stick to your finger a lot, it's perfect. So now we're gonna go pop this in the freezer. We're gonna wanna put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes exact. So, 15 minutes, I'll be right back. So it was 8:26, and now it's 8:40, so I'm gonna times that. Now I'm gonna go check up on it. I'm in the freezer. Alright, here it is. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna close my freezer. Let me set this down. Alright guys, this is the final. I'm excited. And before you put it inside the freezer, by the way, if you wanted to add food coloring, that's your choice, but I didn't have any, so. Oh my god, guys, I think this actually worked without using glue. This is how it looks. Not sticking. You know, this is one thing. Putting it on my hand. See? Please work. Oh, I feel it. I need to get a spoon out. Okay, I'm gonna get a spoon to take this out. Oh my god, guys, this feels like legit slime right here. Alright, this is legit slime that I feel right now, guys. And put it back in the cup. So that was amazing, guys. I definitely recommend it. Watch out with that salt again, and if you need to leave it in the freezer for a few more minutes, I would do that if I were you. But 15 minutes was alright for me, but if you want the perfect slime, leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes, and it would be perfect. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching my DIY slime that I made. Don't forget to like, subscribe this video. Also comment down below what you want me to do for tomorrow, and you might get a shout out. So thanks for watching. Bye!